Welcome back everyone. Today's recipe is a quick and easy chocolatey treat. I'm going to use the Vibe blender to make some super moist chocolate muffins. Using the blender jug is a great time saver. Everything goes in there. We blend it up on smoothie mode. In under 30 seconds, the batter will be ready to go. I'm going to start with the wet ingredients. Add 1 cup of milk, 3/4 of a cup of thick yogurt, 2 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla, half a cup of vegetable oil or rice bran oil, half a cup of cocoa powder, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, 2 cups of plain flour, and 1 cup of dark brown sugar. Blend on smoothie mode for 15 to 20 seconds, but for no longer. I have 1.5 cups of chopped dark chocolate. I'm going to add half of that to the blender jug now and fold that through. So the batter's looking really good, really silky and smooth, and it's ready to pour. I've got a muffin tray here that I've just lined with some patty pans, and I've got the oven set to 210 degrees Celsius. Now that is pretty hot for a muffin recipe, but the reason it's so hot to start is I'm going to bake them for 5 minutes at that temperature and then drop it right down to 170, and that'll help give a really nice crispy top. Pour the batter evenly into the muffin tray and top with the remaining chopped chocolate. Bake for 5 minutes at 210 degrees and then lower the temperature to 170 degrees Celsius and bake for a further 15 minutes. Have a look at these chocolate muffins. They've risen beautifully. They've got that awesome crispy top on them, and I can tell they're going to be really moist. Let them cool down for a few minutes and then watch them disappear. That's it for this week. Check out the blog for the full written recipe. I hope we've convinced you that blender muffins are the way to go, and I hope you give this a go for yourself at home. You won't regret it. Let us know what you think in the comment section below. And if you haven't already, then hit subscribe to see more of our Luvele Life recipes. If you enjoyed this video today, then give it a like for us, and we'll be back really soon with another recipe.